Hey guys, welcome to RC Explorer. Today we're unboxing the trx4 Ford Bronco. Okay, so here's some of the features on the truck. It's got the remote locking discs, high and low transmission, metal gear, digital servo, and portal axle, 1.9 size tire. It's 100% waterproof. Has cruise control on the radio. Got a steel frame. Aluminum GTS shocks, extreme capability. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, let's see. First thing you see whenever you open it is the radio. So that's radio. All right. Way. Okay, so all this here you see, this is not stickers. This is all bolted on. The door handles, the mirrors, the trim pieces back here in the back, all that's bolted on. It's got the grill. Okay. So it's got where you can put lights all the way around. You got both front side marker lights, both rear side markers, tail lights, but the headlights and the blinkers and stuff, they are not cut out, but I know you can do that, and I'll make a video for that later. Plastic off. They really protect this truck. Let's set this off out of the way. Okay, so there's the truck. And they did a really good job on the underside. All the protection really keeps mud and stuff out of the truck itself. Has an extremely nice suspension on it. The servos for the remote locking and unlocking diffs. The servo for the two-speed transmission, steering servo. So this truck is 100% waterproof. That's the receiver right in there. So, yeah. And it comes with your manual and some stickers and a little tool package there. So. Another thing I like about this truck, they made the body sit down in the running board, so you got all that rattling while you're driving around. So tell me what you think about the video in the comments, and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.